In this video we are going to be analysing Tesla, ticker TSLA. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we continue to push to the upside? And as of right now, on the longer term timeframes, our closest resistance is around $312, and we can see this level has been tested multiple times and keeps failing, and that's most likely the reason for the most recent pullback. However, if we're able to break that and continue, we'd be looking at 340, 360, going on to 380, and then final levels pushing out to $405, $423, and a final level at $450. Now, see, a few of these resistances are very far off from where we are now. So if you're looking at more of a day trading or a very short-term swing trade, what other levels would we be paying attention to? And for this, we would go onto the shorter term time frame. On the left, we have a 10-day. On the right, we have a 20-day. And our closest resistance then would be $300. So if you're just looking for the intraday targets, really at 300 and maybe a 312 at a push would be those two resistance levels that we would be focusing on. Now onto the support side of things, what would we be focusing on? So again, on the for the intraday kind of targets, if you're looking to day trade, our closest support is 295. We would expect to push down to that. If we are able to break that, then we would be looking for a push to 290. Now, we will go back to the longer term time frame. So if you're looking at a longer term swing or investing, what are better buy targets? And we can see our closest support level then is $265, with the one after that being at $255. So those would be the two key support levels that we would be paying attention to as they are our closest. But if we're able to break those and continue lower, then we're looking around $220 to around $213, as these would be our first deviations on both the 6-month and the 1-year chart. And as we can see as well, that would be taking us near to that 52-week low, so it would definitely be a key support level to be noting. However, in an extreme move, or if markets just continue quite weak and over time we gradually fade lower, then we would be looking at $172 and then taking us down to $130, $125, and then final levels at $88 and $79. So again, obviously a lot of these are very far off. So the key focus would be, if you're looking for day trading levels, be paying attention to the support side of the 295 and the 290. If you're looking at a longer term outlook on the stock, then we'll be looking at 265, 255, 220 and 213 as kind of these key levels to be paying attention to. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video on Tesla. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.